Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ivanul Mayuda from 5BD. I would like to presentation about data collection in research methodology meeting 8. Uh, uh, Data collection that I know, they have two things, such as methods and tools. Even though they have a relation to each other, uh, these two terms have a different meanings. For explanation, data collection method are technique or methods used by a researcher to collect data. And also, data collection is carried out to obtain the information needed in order to uh, achieve the research objectives. Meanwhile, data collection instrument or data collection tools is a tool used to collect data. Because it is tool, the data collection can be in the form of a interview, questionnaire, and also observation. For the next slide, I explain about interview. The interview is a data collection technique that is carried out through face-to-face and direct question and answer between the researcher and the research person. Along with technological developments, the interview method can also carry out through certain media, for example, telephone, email, or video call application like a Skype. Uh, uh, Interview are divided into two categories such as structure and also unstructured interview. About a structured interview, researchers already know exactly what information they want to extract from the informants. In this condition, the researcher usually lists question in systematic manner, and also can use various research monument such as recording aids, camera, and other. And for unstructured interview are free interview. The researcher did not use an uh, contain, uh, interview guide containing a specific question, but only contain important point of the problem that the respondent want to explore. Nah, what are the best data collection tools for interview? Uh, there are few tools can use to easily to collect data such as audio recorder, digital camera, and camcorder. For the audio recorder, it used for a recording sound disc, tape, or film, and can meet needs of wide range of people as well as provide alternative to print data collection tools. For digital camera, uh, it used for transmitting those images to monitor screen um, when the needs arise. And the last camcorder is provide combining of both an audio record and also a video camera. Now, for the second is questionnaires. A definition of questionnaires is a method of collecting data by giving a set of questions or written statement to the respondent to answer. It is a more efficient if the researcher know exactly which variable to measure and know what is expected from the respondent. In addition, a questionnaire is also suitable if the number of respondents large enough and spread over large. Uh, Based on a form of a questionnaire can divided into two types. That is open questionnaire and closed questionnaire. What is both of them? Open questionnaire is that gives the object of research the freedom to uh, give as a is object of research the freedom to answer. Uh, and meanwhile, close and meanwhile, closed questionnaire is a questionnaire that has a provided answer option to be selected by object of research. What are the best data collection tools for a questionnaire? They are have two things. That is a form plus online questionnaire and also paper questionnaire. For a form plus and for a form plus, that is help to collect information that we need and also create the online form that we like. Uh, Form plus online have a form template to get actionable trends and uh, measure response. For a paper questionnaire is a data collecting tool consisting of a series of a question and a prompt for a purpose of getting information from a respondent. For the third is observation. For definition, observation is a complex data collection method because it involves various factors in its implementation. Observational data collection techniques are suitable for a research that aims to study behavior, work process, and natural phenomena. This method is also appropriate for a respondent whose quantity is not too large. And observation also involves the active acquisition of information from a primary source and can also involve the preparation and recording of data via the use of scientific instrument or tools. Uh, uh, the best tools for observation such as checklist and direct observation. For a checklist is allow user to gather information and make a judgment about what they should know in a relation to outcome. They offer systematic ways of collecting data about specific behavior, knowledge, and skills. For a direct observation, this is an observational study method of collecting evaluating information and watch the subject in their usual environment without altering that environment. There are and the last subtopic is importance of data collection. There are bunch of underlying reason for collecting data, especially for a researcher. That is integrity of research. Integrity of research also a key of reason for collect data, be it through a quantitative or qualitative method. It is to ensure that the integrity for the research question is indeed maintained. And the second is reduce the likelihood of errors. The correct use of appropriate data collection of method reduce the likelihoods of errors consistent with the result. And the third is a decision making to minimize the size of errors in the decision making. It is important that the accurate data is collected so that the researcher doesn't make uninformed decision. And the last is save cost and time. Data collection must save from the researcher times and funds that will otherwise be misspent without a deeper understanding of the topic or subject matter. Uh, I think that's all for presentation. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry for explanation or presentation. If I make a mistake, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching and listening. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.